you guys building exactly?
So do you know? No, Cooper, don't do it there. That was trying to will angles. So right there by the steps, that's where the.
Good job, Roar.
Yeah, because we're stuck. Dad, we need to go.
Okay.
Stop off.
Cooper. So relaxing, isn't it? I just love watching in front of us. Everything's so peaceful and kind. Wait a second.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, gentle, gentle.
Ah.
All right, goobers.
But do you have any cafe au lait?
Hey, do you have any cafe au lait?
Yeah, it's fine. Here.
Yeah, no, got a little bit away now. Pardon me. Gesundheit. Hey, can you say cheese, Roar? That's great. I love it.
Fun.
It's not what my Eileen Fisher said.
Fun, 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 fun.
Roy, can you point to the osprey nest?
Dad's so proud.
Woohoo!
And you're not going to catch up with us.
Hey, no hee-hee-hees. Wow. Thanks, bro. Ow!